It's like Christmas every time car parts come in the mail. There's the Boo. The Boo, I literally haven't drove it in like a few days. Somebody needs to appreciate it more than I do. Still clean. You guys are probably wondering what are in the bags, but you're gonna have to wait because first I need to take a ride to Harbor Freight to pick up a wrench to remove this air assist valve, and that thing's gonna be a pain. So I gotta try to find like a decent adjustable wrench or I believe it's a 21 mil. So we're gonna take a little trip over to Harbor and get some cheap tools. If this thing starts, battery might be dead. Oh yeah, it's an SI, that's why. Had to make a quick stop at Combi's right now. I got some coffee, hash browns, and a sandwich. Camera's over here, all right?
You know I had to get the soup.
Yeah. Give me a like if you mess with Cumberland Farms coffee. Give me those likes. Gotta break out the coupons right now. We got the 20% off. Hopefully this is still good. And what's the other one, babe?
Free parts holder.
This is gonna be for the K24 swap. Damn, dude, it's hella windy out right now. B, you ready? Women, man, they take forever. Look how dirty this thing is right now. Look at that. All these marks on that. She's gonna draw a wiener on my car, she said. That Civic is sweet. What, you want a WRX?
Yeah.
You're trash, man. You're trash. Thanks, buddy. After you, babe. Okay, I should have bought this. I need a 21 or an adjustable. Got the goodie bag, $11 later. Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at what, that?
Yeah.
I'm looking at that. This is better. You guys drop your comments below. What's better? This or that? And remember, never stop wrenching. Hold on, can we come check out this?
Can that zoom in?
Come here. Talk about this 10th gen right here. Look at this. Dude, look at that hood scoop right there. That is what I call 100% functionality, guys. Look at that booty, guys. Oh man, he's gonna try to run me, bro. Yeah, look at that. Look at it, it's turbo. He's got the little decal for it. Damn it, I lost the race.
You're gonna lose another one to a fucking, what is that?
I'm losing it to Hondas today.
Wow, you're doing great.
That's got a K24 in it, bro. More displacement. Let's see, I'm gonna need pliers, a flathead. Probably wondering what is in the bags, so I'm going to show you guys. We have a K-Tune product right here. What do we got? What do we got next? Look at this. So there's a plug kit, and there is a vacuum cap right on that, if you guys can see. Huge variety of rubber vacuum caps. This is a whole like assortment thing. Got it on eBay for a few bucks. So everybody say goodbye to how it looks right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect my negative terminal of the batteries. Let's get wrenching. The first thing, I'm gonna take this ground wire out of here, guys. was gonna leave these on, but these studs right here that hold the manifold cover on are absolutely hit. Bolts are out. Look at how much nicer that looks already. If you guys follow this hose right here, it connects down into this little thing right here, this black piece that is pretty much into your manifold, and what that is called an air assist valve. And what that valve does is allows your car to pretty much warm up quicker and like cooler temperatures and everything. So I busted mine completely. If you guys seen my video where I took the manifold off, I was taking this hose off right here, one of my breathers, and I literally snapped the fitting. Like, this hose was stuck onto that fitting on the right side, because there's two. There's one on the right and then there's one on the top. It's like a nipple, and I freaking snapped it. So I just literally put some Honda Bond underneath it. Now that is where this piece comes in effect right here. You can get this little delete kit on eBay for pretty cheap, so I got mine right here. But I'm honestly just worried on, since I do live in New England and it's cold all the time in the winter, I wonder if I'm gonna have any issues. Just slide right up like so, and we have another one that's loose. We're gonna try to get this one off. Okay, this hose is off. Before we put these on, so you're not fighting with them, just take a little bit of synthetic grease and you could put it around the fitting, and it should just help these slide right over it. So just rub it around this whole piece here. Look at that, perfect. After some work, it finally slid on, guys. You got to go on an angle and just push down on it. And I made a decision, guys. I'm gonna run this, see how it runs with just the cap on there, and if I can, to get this off, I'm probably gonna have to take the intake and the throttle body off, or maybe just the intake, so I can get a wrench in there. I think it's a 21 millimeter. So if I can, I'm gonna take the air assist valve off next time. I still have the little kit for it, the delete kit. So I'm gonna leave it on for now, but for the final product right now comes the K-tuned. Should just come right off. The moment when you go to put your final part on, your final piece, and you realize that you don't have a proper size vacuum cap for this piece right here. So, damn, that looks like I'm just gonna have to run this hose for now. I might run Advanced Auto Parts real quick, because I don't want to not finish the job. That's gotta go back on. True question is, will it start? Just as I'm about to leave for AutoZone, guys, I popped my hood one more time, and I found a coolant leak in the back of the motor here. And it's from my, it's hard to see it, but it's literally all wet down there through that crevice. You could see it. Well, that's coming from my coolant bypass hose, which is this one right here, which connects up to the throttle body. So it always has to be a coolant leak, guys. This thing is idling wicked weird right now. Parts trips, I always think they're gonna be short, you know, get in, get out, but there's literally all this traffic right now. Just getting to Advanced Auto Parts right now, as you can see right here, and what I need to do is make sure I get the right vacuum cap is obviously a start, but what I'm gonna do is take off this hose right here so I can just match the vacuum cap up to that so I can get my little K-Tune breather on there. But damn, dude, she's looking fresh right now. Huge difference. Piece literally just twisted out. So this is perfect. This is what the vacuum cap's gonna be going over. So I'll just bring this in there and bring the other cap and just match something up, hopefully. So we pretty much found these vacuum caps right here, and hopefully these things work. I think I have the right size in there. They're only like $5, so. Hey, look at Midnight right there, chilling at her finest. Still needs low. Still needs low. Will it fit? It's back in, down here. Oh my God, dude, it is perfect fit. Look at that. There is no gap in the center right there. Dude, look at this thing. You gotta love the mod life, guys. Look at this. It literally won't even fit on there right now because the bracket's in the way. The first one's like literally right here. Crack that free, and then one 10mm screw or bolt, and all you're gonna do now, you can literally push the bracket down. So I should have enough room to just slap that on.